everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you where to find the internet browser on your PlayStation 4. So you might not find it on the home screen right here. What you want to do is go all the way to the right to the library. Click this, then go on down to applications, and then go to the right. Now the internet should come on your PlayStation 4 pre-installed, so it should be on here. Click it and open this up. Now you can save this to the home screen if you want, in a folder or something like that, and it'll always be on there. But when you're using this, you can go to the top right. This is automatically going to be like Google search. So if we go to this and open this up, we can type something in like good. And then you can go to images if you want to take screenshots. But look at all these different options on the bottom here. You got full screen. You can press R3 button to zoom in. Then you can go to options. You can go back, forward, you can zoom in, magnify, add bookmarks, open new window. You can delete your browsing history right here if you're looking at something you're not supposed to. And then we can go to settings right here. And then we got allow JavaScript cookies. Now sometimes if you disable JavaScript, everything will load a lot quicker. So just look at all this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.